Hi everyone, Namaste. Thank you for joining me in this course. This is a Vinyasa Flow course, Basics, Yogi Lifestyle 101. My name is course.Â. I've been practicing yoga for about 20 years or more since I was a child. I've been teaching for about 15 years. I teach a style of yoga called flow yoga, sometimes known as Vinyasa. Vinyasa means movement linked to breath, so the practice is intended to be breath oriented and very flowy. I am excited to have you in this course. This is a very practical course with tools for you to enhance your life, and very easy with modifications, and really trying to give you this beautiful ancient practice in a very modern, basic way, easy to learn, and I hope that you can enjoy it. So I have a yoga studio. I've had a yoga studio, Shanti Yoga Shala, for the past about 5 years. I also have a yoga teacher training school with a 200 and 300 hour level. I do continuing educations and workshops all over. I worked in Los Angeles for many years, and I also host retreats all over the world. Currently I'm based in New Orleans, and I hope you can take part of this journey of the physical practice of yoga on the mat as well as off the mat with the tips. I'm here to assist you on this journey.